Check the air for danger. Hi little one, are you okay? Can you hear me? Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. Help! And the airway. Listen, feel for breathing for 10 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2. 14, 15, 16, 1, 2. I'm going to take baby with me while I go and make a phone call to the ambulance. Everyone, are you okay? Wakey, wakey, can you hear me? Help! Now on a baby, we don't open the airway like we do on an adult and a child. A baby's airway is just neutral. It is not all the way back and it's not forward. So it's just a neutral alignment. So I'm going to get nice and low so I can feel, listen and also see their breaths. And I'm going to check this for 10 seconds. Now a newborn baby is going to be breathing 10 times in those 10 seconds. This baby's not breathing, so I'm going to do 5 rescue breaths. Now when I do my rescue breaths, I must make sure my mouth goes over their mouth and nose, because my mouth is quite big. So, look away, look away, look away, look away, look away. 5 breaths. And they say it's a cheek full of air that we use. Cheek full of air. After that, remove the clothing, find its nipples, and we'll do, find its nipples and do compressions in line with the nipples, pushing down 1/3 of their body depth and going the same speed as a child and the adult. So 100 to 120 beats per minute, making sure when we push down, we come back up. 30 of those, now 2 rescue breaths. 1, 2, and then back on that chest again. Now, same as a child, we're going to do 3 cycles of 30 to 2. 28, 29, 32 more breaths. 1, 2. Last cycle. After this last cycle, we're then going to go and call the ambulance because they haven't come back to life and there's nobody else here to do that for me. Might even use 2 thumbs if I get tired. 1, 2. Right, let's go and get you to an ambulance. We're going to go and call an ambulance now. And then we come back and we carry on.